Want to give your videos a dreamy, magical atmosphere? One of the easiest way to do that in CapCut Mobile is with Firefly effects. Start by opening your project and selecting the clip you want to edit. Next, tap Effects and choose Video Effects. From the Decor category, select Firefly and apply it to your video. Right away, you'll see glowing particles floating across the screen, creating the appearance of fireflies moving through the scene. To customize the effect, tap on it in the timeline. You can increase the speed setting if you want more movement, or slow it down for a calmer and more relaxing look. You can also adjust the atmosphere setting to make the fireflies brighter or more subtle depending on the mood you're trying to create. A moment to preview the video and fine tune the settings until everything looks natural. And that's how to add fireflies to your videos in CapCut Mobile. It's a simple effect that can instantly transform ordinary footage into something more cinematic and visually appealing.